10 most powerful tanks in the world. Japan's main battle tanks are barely at the bottom. And where is China? Number 1. Cost $3 billion. Not only have unmanned turrets and the most advanced protection system in the world. Tanks as representative of land warfare weapons. It has a history of 100 years since its inception. He is not just a symbol of strength and technology, modern military power, an indispensable and important component, whether in World War II or in modern warfare. The appearance of tanks have greatly affected the course of the battle, turned the tide on the battlefield many times. Hailed by military fans as the king of land warfare. Today, Lao Wang sees the world with everyone. The 10 most powerful tanks in the world. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Take you to explore more unknown magical worlds. Number 10. It's a main battle tank. In the history of modern warfare, tanks have always played an indispensable role. They are not just steel behemoths on the battlefield. It is a symbol of the country's military might. For example, the Japanese implementation tank. It is such a highly deterrent existence, although not currently participating in any combat. But he still has excellent firepower. Captured a place among the world's top tanks. Execute tank. Manufactured by industrial giant Mitsubishi Industries. Cost up to $9.40 million. Although the cost of this tank is very expensive, but its performance fully matches its high price. Although from the appearance, it is almost indistinguishable from traditional tanks. The body is made of steel clip material. The front of the car is equipped with a new type of composite armor. It weighs 44 tons. Maximum output of 1,200 horsepower. Maximum speed 70 kilometers per hour. Equipped with a 120 mm 44x sugar cannon. It is worth mentioning that he can lock at the same time during combat. 8 goals. This is not possible in many tanks. Since entering service in 2012, with its advanced technology, outstanding performance, it is considered a revolution in tanks. At the same time, he is also equipped with a C-color system. Advanced individuals capable of competing with Japanese infantry. Communication systems are networked, greatly improve the coordination ability on the battlefield. Except these, he also has the latest thermal sights and laser rangefinders. Ensures the precision of the attack. Certainly, he also has a state-of-the-art field loader. They can fire very quickly. It is this high-tech equipment, making the implementation of tanks a source of pride in Japanese technology. It has also become a formidable competitor in the global military. The 9th challenger to tank. When we discuss the most powerful tank in the world, the British Challenger to tank, no one occupied a place. This tank has been used since 1998, has always been the backbone of the British Armored Forces, and was called by the British military the most defensible tank in the world. Cost between $6 million and $8 million. Imagine that. A steel behemoth weighing 60.5 tons, appear on the battlefield. Its deterrent power is enough to deter any opponent. But here's the thing. His main gun. It is a rare 120 mm front cannon. This weapon, uncommon in modern main battle tanks. He can fire special munitions, such as high explosive concussion bombs. This type of ammunition is designed to damage buildings, and it was designed for strong fortifications. It's very powerful, enough to penetrate all kinds of heavy armor in one hit. In addition to advanced weapon systems, Challenger 2's protection capabilities are also among the best in the world. The Chobham armor he's equipped with. It's a very efficient ceramic and metal composites. This material has been used in many battles, proved his ability to counter various weapons. In addition, the tank is also equipped with reactive armor and active protection systems, an impregnable line of defense built by members. At the same time, he is also equipped with top-notch equipment, fire control and battle management systems, combining thermal imaging and laser rangefinders. Make sure you can move quickly on the battlefield. Precise targeting. But he is not without flaws, because his engine has 1,200 horsepower. The top speed is only 59 kilometers per hour. But obviously, speed is not the only factor in victory on the battlefield. Anyway, Challenger 2. It is not just an efficient military device. It is the British modern warfare force, and a symbol of technological innovation. Every time he appears on the battlefield, both fully demonstrate the military might of the United Kingdom. 8. Merkava main battle tank. In Israel, Merkava is not just a weapon, more of a symbol. You can hear it in his name, because Merkava is there. The meaning in Siberian is chariot, and he is indeed just like his name. It has been racing on the battlefield since 2004. It became the core of Israel's defense by the Israeli Military Industrial Company Mintai and the Israel Defense Forces Ordnance Department. Co-design and manufacturing. Costs between $3.50 million and $4.50 million. His cast weapon is a 120mm cannon. This gun can not only fire conventional shells, it can also fire Al-Ahad anti-tank guided missiles. Its power is enough to penetrate the 3 black walls, smash the enemy's heavy armor. In addition to that, he was also armed with a 7.62mm machine gun and a 60mm exhaust cannon to provide a full range of firepower support. In terms of design, Merkava's engine, cleverly placed in the front of the hull, can provide an extra layer of protection for members. The top speed can reach 64 km per hour. But that's not his biggest highlight, because his greatest feature is modular armor and trophy active protection system. This system, armor can be customized according to mission requirements, can intercept enemy fire in real time, protect vehicles from the threat of anti-tank weapons. Unlike other tanks, he also has a unique rear compartment. This compartment can not only be used to transport soldiers, you can also carry a variety of weapons and equipment. Make it capable of performing complex tasks, like a Swiss Army knife on the battlefield. Versatile. How about such a multifunctional weapon? Are you in love? 7th. Eclair main battle tank. When the name Eclair, when it rings in military circles around the world, he always gives his enemies a chill. Since 1992, he became the core force of the French army, manufactured by Nexter Systems. The cost was as high as 143.04 million francs, equivalent to $19.68 million. It is one of the most expensive tanks in the world. Although expensive, but his price is directly proportional to his strength. His main gun was a 120mm cannon. This gun is not only fully armed, it can also fire a variety of ammunition types. This includes a powerful Polish bomb. Although today, this may not be uncommon, but in 1992, this is the existence of absolute power. However, the real advantage of the Leclerc tank, not just its main gun, because he also has an automatic field loading system, can greatly increase his rate of fire, let the enemy have nowhere to run, and his stimulus weapon, a 7.62mm machine gun, can provide enough support for melee combat. Its armor is a unique type of steel, a composite of ceramics and Kevlar, can be adjusted according to different battlefield needs, provides nearly impeccable protection. And not only that, Leclerc tank, also equipped with an advanced active protection system, can effectively defend against incoming danger. Certainly, his drive is equally impressive. It's powered by a 1,500 horsepower engine. Make this mobile fortress, on the road, able to travel at a speed of 71 km per hour. Even in complex off-road environments, it can also maintain a speed of 50 km per hour. In terms of electronic stations, Leclerc is also not left behind. His fire-air system incorporates a thermal imager and laser rangefinders. This allows him to precisely target. Compared to other main battle tanks, Leclerc is more convenient. It's a two-person design, and through the automatic field loading system, reduce the burden on members, enhance mobility and flexibility. It also shows French innovation in modern tank design and technical strength. 6th. T9 OMS main battle tank. This tank, from Russia, known as the Fighting Nation, so it's no surprise that he made the list. And the T9 OMS as a modern upgrade to the T90 series, since its launch in 2011, already on the modern battlefield, proved his strength. 10 grams are manufactured at the Ural Vehicle Facility in Russia. The vehicle costs up to $4.50 million. Equipped with a 125mm and 465,000 Chinese soup bubble. This powerful main gun is capable of firing conventional shells and anti-tank guided missiles. At the same time, he was also armed with a boat of 7.62mm machine guns and a boatload of remotely operated anti-aircraft machine guns, so that it can effectively deal with close combat and aerial hazards. In terms of protection, this big guy is also doing a great job. He uses composite armor and lacquered explosive reactive armor, plus a line of active protection systems from Arena. These protective measures, it can effectively intercept various anti-tank ammunition. Great. Enhances its ability to survive on the battlefield. At the same time, his fire control system has also been fully upgraded. Includes advanced thermal imaging targeting equipment and laser rangefinders. Make sure it's day or night, or in complex battlefield environments. Accurately lock and hit the target. It's powered by a 1,130 horsepower engine. Top speed up to 60 kilometers per hour. Launch of the T-9 OAMAS. It's not just a response to the challenges of the modern battlefield. It is also Russia in the world. Key assets in the competition for military technology. Fifth car. Type 909 main battle tank. Type 909 tank, also known as ZTZ-99A. It is the vanguard of China's armored forces. Cost between $2.50 million and $5 million. This tank has been in service since 2001. Has become a member of the Chinese Army. One of the most powerful mechanical warriors. The design of the Type 99 tank is full of innovation. Equipped with a 125mm cannon. This not only fires standard shells, it can also fire anti-tank guided missiles, ensuring its versatility on the modern battlefield. Except for the main gun, the Type 909 is also equipped with a boat of 7.62mm machine guns and a boat of 12.7mm anti-aircraft machine guns. The addition of these stimulus weapons let the 99 perform equally well in melee combat, and his protective ability, also by using modular composite armor and explosive reactive armor to achieve, effectively improve the survival rate of the tank. He's not far behind when it comes to electronics, equipped with advanced fire control systems and laser rangefinders, combined with thermal imaging system, make the ninth able to operate at night or in severe weather conditions. It can also accurately lock on the target. In addition, its 1,500 horsepower engine and computerized drivetrains, granted 99 hours per hour, amazing speeds of up to 80 kilometers, whether it is a desert, mountain, or urban battlefield, can easily handle. The Type 9 tank is not just a weapon. China is in the global tank technology race. Show the world its reputation for military prowess and engineering innovation. Fourth car, K2 Panther main battle tank. Among the giants of the global chariot, South Korea's K2 Panther tank, and its sheer size and advanced technology, stand out. This tank was developed by Hyundai Luton. Cost up to $8.50 million. Since 2014, he represents the perfect combination of technology and firepower. Became a battlefield character that could not be ignored. Imagine that. One is equipped with 120mm. The mechanical behemoth of the Hwatan cannon. Traversing the battlefield, not only can it launch high-speed kinetic energy bombs, it can also launch South Korea's unique smart top-bow ammunition. This type of ammunition can also be used after launch. They can track and hit their targets autonomously. How terrible would that be? However, this is what K2 can achieve. Of course, he is not only advanced in weapon systems, so is protection. His armor is made of a composite of advanced materials. Ability to be modularly configured according to battlefield requirements. And here's what's even more impressive. He is also equipped with a Korean active protection system. This system, capable of effectively intercepting anti-tank missiles and RPGs, greatly improved survival. In terms of mobility, K2 is no less. Its unique armored suspension unit provides excellent off-road capabilities. Whether it's a rugged mountain or a muddy swamp, K2 can handle it easily. Plus a powerful 1,500 horsepower engine. Make this tank maximum speed on the road, up to 70 kilometers per hour. The off-road speed can also reach 52 kilometers per hour. But the K2's fire control system is also not to be underestimated. His hunt-killer engagement ability allows the operator to target multiple targets simultaneously and carry out efficient attacks. On the modern battlefield, this ability can greatly enhance combat efficiency. Therefore, the K2 Panther tank is not just the pinnacle of technology, it is also a force on the battlefield, a powerful force that cannot be ignored. Third car, M1A or CPV-3V for Abrams tank. On the modern battlefield, Tanks are one of the Army's most effective weapons in combat, but very few tanks, like this one, it's as scary as a behemoth. This new tank, it's run by General Dynamics Land Systems, built and upgraded armored behemoth, represents the United States globally. Absolute power in the military field. Cost between $8 million and $10 million. From the outside, the first thing that catches our eye is his proximity. 10 meters long body. Its massive appearance. Give the enemy the illusion that I'm not easy to mess with. Secondly, his core weapon. This is a 120mm Hwatong robe, with its outstanding accuracy and powerful destructive force. Can be accurate. Unmistakably strike the enemy behind the hide, in order to operate in various combat environments, maintain a firepower advantage. He is also equipped with 50 caliber heavy machine gun and beamboat 7.62mm machine gun, and ensure that no matter what danger, he can provide powerful and lethal firepower. But that's obviously not his only strength, because his defense is just as strong. Adopt the most advanced composite armor. In the SCP version, he can also increase the skin all layer by further enhance the protective capabilities of the armor, and a 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine gives this giant tank exceptional maneuverability. The top speed can reach 67 kilometers per hour. No matter the mountains or the wilderness, it can travel fast. With its powerful firepower and defensive capabilities, makes him unrivaled on the battlefield. Second Pal 7 main battle tank. 2017 is the pinnacle of German engineering. Crafted by Krauss-Maffei Legman. Cost between $7 million and $10 million. First appeared in 2010. This main battle tank, not only did it continue the tradition of German tanks, it also incorporates the latest demands of modern warfare. The huge body is about 10 meters long. That's the length of 2 cars. As a modern fighting machine, Balto A7's alloy weapons, it's a 120mm cannon. Although most tanks are set up like this, but the range of the explosion to A7 is not only far, it's even more powerful. It can fire 120mm high-pack shells. It can also adapt to various combat environments. And his secondary weapon was the beamboat 7.62mm machine gun. Subao is in close combat. It's resilient. In terms of protection, the two A7 companies have adopted a modular armor design, able to meet different task requirements. Make flexible adjustments, take anti-tank weapons in stride, and the danger of landmines in urban battlefields. In terms of motivation, he had a 1,500 horsepower engine. Although the armor is heavy, but he was still able to spend every hour on the battlefield. Fast movement at a speed of 70 kilometers, even with the main engine shut down. Auxiliary power unit. Maintain the operation of critical systems. Make sure the tank's combat effectiveness is not affected. And modern digital communication systems. And an optimized member environment. It also provides members with the best combat conditions, even in harsh environments. It can also maintain a high degree of operational efficiency. It is a steel behemoth that cannot be ignored on the modern battlefield. The first car, 14 Armada main battle tank, on the battlefield. Size often connotes strength and deterrence. And Armada. It is undoubtedly the most influential weapon on the battlefield. This tank is made in Russia, not just a massive steel behemoth. It also represents the future trend of tank design. To build this steel behemoth, the entire project cost $3 billion. The body is 10 meters long. It weighs nearly 48 tons. That's almost the weight of 10 cars. However, the volume, obviously not his proudest virtue, because his most striking feature is his unmanned tower. It's in the tank design. It was a revolutionary breakthrough. Fishtail traditional tank design. The gunner is usually required to operate the turret directly. And Armada's unmanned turret. It can be advanced far process control system to operate. This makes gunners can be better protected in armor. Grams operate internally. This greatly enhances the safety. He was also armed with a 125mm cannon. This gun is not only powerful, and it's incredibly accurate. It can easily destroy enemies several kilometers away. It can also launch guided missiles, although most people think of tanks as bulky. But with a 1,500 horsepower engine, Armada can easily push this behemoth. It's traveling at 80 to 90 kilometers an hour. Whether it's a flat road or a rugged mountain, He can handle autonomy. He's also equipped with an Afghan NIT. Advanced systems for active protection. This system can be used in bullets. The missile will be intercepted and destroyed before it can reach the tank. It's almost like a tank, installed with an invisible protective shield. However, his uniqueness is not limited to armor and firepower. His modular design is also suitable for future upgrades. We have reserved enough space. This means that as technology advances, he will be able to easily integrate new systems and weapons, so as to maintain an advantage on the battlefield of the future. This is in the realm of modern warfare, a major breakthrough. It also marks tank design has entered a new era. I don't know the 10 most powerful tanks above. Which one impressed you the most? Or is there anything to add? Welcome to comment and let me know. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.